Welcome back, crypto friends. This week's Bitcoin and cryptoverse news is absolutely stacked with some craziness. I'm your host, Corbin Fraser, back again on the Bitcoin.com weekly update. So let's get into it. Bitcoin smashed through the 90K milestone, making history. Driven by big institutional investments, rising future interest, liquidated short positions, FOMO, and fueled by Trump's policies and crypto-friendly moves, the post-election rally has so far seen BTC rocket from 75K to over 90K. So while analysts hint at a possible pullback, the overall excitement suggests more growth might be on the horizon. For now, Bitcoin's 90K achievement is a huge moment for the crypto world. 100K by year end could be on the table, or even by the end of next week, thanks to growing investor confidence and momentum, but nobody knows. Nobody knows because it's all new. We're in all-time high territory. Nobody can predict the future. And with Bitcoin's all-time high, a new Glassnode report is showing that 95% of the supply is now in profit. Institutional demand is pushing spot markets, especially with fresh inflows into US Bitcoin ETFs. Following Trump's election win, the crypto-friendly sentiment is supercharging the rally. So while optimism is sky high, Glassnode also warns that we could see a correction soon based on historical trends, so brace for potential pullbacks. Veteran trader and renowned chartist Peter Brandt is making waves with his bold prediction. Bitcoin could hit 125K by New Year's. He's confident, citing strong historical trends and recent price action. So Brandt's using past patterns to back his forecast, especially with BTC in the sweet spot of its halving cycle. If things stay hot, he sees even bigger gains in the next few years. The famous rainbow chart suggests the ride could get even crazier. Now, this chart is known for capturing long-term price trends. Currently has BTC still in the green accumulate zone, far below the wild bubble territory it reached in past bull runs. If BTC climbs to higher zones, it could break 130K or even 200K sometime in 2025. And with that $10,000 God candle this past Monday, anything is possible. Fans are hyped, but remember, this chart's history-based predictions don't guarantee the future. BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF just flipped its gold trust counterpart, hitting $34.3 billion in assets and leaving the gold fund in its dust. Launched in January, the iShares Bitcoin Trust has pulled in massive inflows, especially since Trump's pro-crypto campaign boosted excitement. With Bitcoin hovering around 90K, this ETF's rapid rise is a clear sign of the strength, the shift towards digital assets and a Bitcoin 2025. Microstrategy just made another monster move in Bitcoin, snapping up 27,200 BTC for $2 billion. It's now sitting on just under 280,000 Bitcoin. Their holdings are now worth roughly $12 billion in total. So Michael Saylor still being that sweet Bitcoin bull. Coinbase stock also skyrocketed 20% in just 24 hours, hitting a new 52-week high of 328, thanks to Bitcoin's rally to fresh all-time highs. The surge added over $50 to the stock price in a day, and it's now up more than 70% since October. The excitement isn't just about BTC. Trump's election win sparked broader market enthusiasm, lifting Coinbase as well as other crypto-related stocks like Microstrategy and several different mining firms. Everyone's feeling pretty good. Everyone's feeling pretty good. Now, Sam Altman, OpenAI CEO, is feeling bullish about crypto's future too. He shared his excitement about the industry's growth and innovation, as well as praising his own blockchain ID project, World, which is formerly known as WorldCoin, for its progress this past year. Altman believes the team's vision and leadership will be key to its success in the cryptoverse. Switching gears, and Dennis Porter, co-founder of the Satoshi Action Fund, is buzzing with excitement as several nations have reached out to set up national Bitcoin reserves. He says hyper-Bitcoinization is moving faster than expected, especially with President-elect Trump's pro-crypto stance. Porter's been helping lawmakers draft Bitcoin policies, and now the momentum for a strategic Bitcoin reserve is snowballing globally. With history in the making, it looks like nation-state adoption of Bitcoin might actually be about to happen. And rumors are buzzing about a stealthy nation buying up Bitcoin in secret. Following on from last week's story, David Bailey, CEO of BTC Inc., hinted that an undisclosed country is quietly scooping up Bitcoin and has already become a top 5 holder. Now, speculation is swirling with names like Qatar and Saudi Arabia being tossed around, but Bailey confirmed it's not China, Ukraine, the UK, Finland, or Georgia. Could this be a game changer for the Bitcoin and crypto world? Stay tuned, follow, like, we'll have more updates on this. As rumors circulate that more countries are hoarding Bitcoin, a debate has been sparked over how this could change Bitcoin and crypto forever. Some think big moves by governments could make Bitcoin as valuable as gold, driving prices extremely sky high. Now, others worry it could centralize power, shrink the circulating supply, and even make the network less secure. Now, either way, if nations dive in, it could mean big changes in Bitcoin's role from a people's currency to a strategic state-controlled asset. Definitely encourage you to read the full article from Bitcoin.com news writer Jamie Redmond, which we'll link to in the description below. Go check that out. Okay, and now let's not forget about Ethereum. Ethereum smashed through the $3,000 mark, hitting $3,400 on Tuesday, fueled by Bitcoin's all-time high. ETH's up big this week and over 30% year to date. It's showing some solid momentum with traders eyeing its potential comeback, though it's still down against BTC this year. Now keep an eye on how ETH holds up in the coming weeks. This could be a key moment for its market standing. DeFi has also hit a huge milestone, $100 billion in total value locked, or TVL, but most of this wealth sits with 6 big players: Lido, Aave, Eigenlayer, Ether.fi, Sky, Uniswap. They're holding 80% of this TVL. Now, while their dominance fuels growth, it also raises some concerns about risks if any one of them stumbles or has any missteps in this whole risk-on DeFi world. Tether USDT is absolutely crushing it too, growing its supply by 34% this year to $123 billion, leaving competitors way behind. So with over $80 billion of daily trading volume tied to USDT, it dominates the market, holding a significant lead over rivals such as USDC. So while some newer stablecoins are trying to stand out by offering yield rewards, Tether's grip on the stablecoin game is pretty rock solid right now, and it's hard to see anyone catching up anytime soon, so time will tell. Glauber Contensetto, the self-styled slum Doge millionaire, is laughing all the way to the bank as Dogecoin rebounds. After his $3 million fortune crashed to just $50,000 last year, Doge's recovery, when an 80% pump in the last week alone, has pushed his fortune back up to $2.1 million. This guy's clearly got diamond hands, so hats off to him. Despite the media kicking him when he was down, he's now proving that the biggest revenge is ultimate success. So hats off to this guy with the funny sounding name. And that's a wrap for this week. Markets are on fire, Bitcoin's breaking new ground, and the crypto scene is shifting fast. Keep those wallets close, stay sharp, don't miss a beat. Follow us on all the socials, do the like, bookmark, retweet, all the other stuff, and catch you guys next time with some fresh updates from the Bitcoin and crypto universe, powered by Bitcoin.com.